never get free. Lamb to the slaughter, what you gon' do when there's blood in the water? The price of your greed is your son and your daughter. What you gon' do when there's blood in the water? Look me in my eyes, tell me everything's not fine. All the people ain't happy, and the river has run dry. You thought you could go free, but that system is done for. If you listen real closely, there's a knock at your front door. You'll never get free. Lamb to the slaughter, what you gon' do when there's blood in the water? The price of your greed is your son and your daughter. What you gon' do when there's blood in the water? When there's blood in the water. Admit you were toxic. You poisoned me just for another dollar in your pocket. Now I am the violence, I am the sickness. Won't accept your silence, beg me for forgiveness. We'll never get free. Lamb to the slaughter, what you gon' do when there's blood in the water? The price of your greed, your son and your daughter. What you gon' do when there's blood in the water? When there's blood in the water. When there's blood in the water.
let's go. But I'm Gerald, and I can always have just what I want. She's the baddest, I would love to flaunt. Take her shopping, you know Yves Saint Laurent. But nope, she ain't with it though. All because she got her own dough. Boss, if you don't know, she could never ever be a broke.
You don't own me. I'm not just one of your many toys. You don't own me. Don't say I can't go with other boys. Don't tell me what to do, and don't tell me what to say. Please, when I go out with you, don't put me on display. You don't own me. Don't try to change me in any way. You don't own me. Don't tie me down, 'cause I never stay. Don't tell me what to do, and don't tell me what to say. Please, when I go out with you, don't put me on display.
Really though, honestly, I get bored of basic. She's the baddest, straight up vicious. Texting her and asking her if she's alone and send some pictures. She said no. Well, goddamn. She said come over and see it for yourself. Never asking for your help. Independent woman, she ain't for the shelf. No, she's the one. Smoke with her until the stand up until we see the sun. The baddest ever. Swear she do it better than I ever seen it done. Yeah. Never borrow, she ain't never alone. It's when she told me she ain't never ever gonna be on.
I don't tell you what to say. I don't tell you what to do. So just let me be myself. That's all I ask of you. I'm young and I love to be young. I'm free and I love to be free. To live my life the way I want. To say and do whatever I please. Hey, oh no.
Okay. But just know, you never met somebody like me before though. Easy.
You don't own me.
There's a world side, full of hate, full of pain, where my demons hide. Without shame, without a trace, and I can see their eyes looking at me like I'm a slave. They say to fall in line, but I won't follow the way. Breaking my heart or taming the flames, chasing the sun or waiting for rain. And I'm bouncing on the walls I made. I can run, fly high, but I will not escape. I'm different, they're taking all they chuck at me. The enemy, the black one in a herd of sheep. Because I know I'll steam all up to glow. The last of all, I'm the last of all. My mind is a labyrinth, something hard to figure out. Take a look just inside of me. Never be what they want me to become. No. Welcome to the HurricaNe. Our war is coming. It's a showdown. Even if I'm made to break me, I will never, can never bow down. It's written my DNA. Am I lost? Am I insane? Let me then is someone to blame. To the last, inhumane. Just a virus that should be erased. Throwing me down till I asphyxiate. Staring to the void of a word that I cannot hold. Maybe I'm getting paranoid, but I'm sure of what I know. A place where hate is gonna rise and love is gonna burn. Where stupid men are shown the stars just to get a fucking crown. Welcome to the HurricaNe. Our war is coming. It's a showdown. take this medicine? Will I feel right or be pushed to the edge? All this darkness taking over me. Beneath the surface, holding my last breath. To break you down, everything I am. Saying I'm crazy, but they can't really tell. I'm gonna face the darkness till the pain comes to an end. Rising from the ashes of something that's never been. Welcome to the awakening. Welcome to the awakening. Our war is coming. I fight until the end. Until the pain comes to an end. Watch me come alive. I'm here to turn the tide. Even if I'm broken, I've never bowed down. Yeoman on the road into promo. You say keep our business on the low. I'm just trying to get you out of the friend zone. Cause you look even better than the photos. I can find your house and me the info. Driving through the gate residential. Found it how it's coming, set your friends home. Keep on trying to hide it, but your friends know. I only call you when it's at best fight. The only time that I'll be by your side. I only love you when you touch me, not feel me. When I fucks up, that's real me. When I fucks up, that's real me. Yeah, I only call you when it's at best fight. The only time I'll ever call you mine. I only love you when you touch me, not feel me. When I fucks up, that's real me. When I fucks up, that's real me, babe. I'ma let you know I keep it simple. Try not keep it out, that seems so simple. I just fight two pages for a show you. And you can't have to do it on my tempo. Always wanna send me off to rehab. Try to start and feeling like it's decay. I'm just running live life for the moment. And all these motherfuckers won't relent. I only call you when it's at best fight. The only time that I'll be by your side. I only love you when you touch me, not feel me. When I fucks up, that's real me. When I fucks up, that's real me. Yeah, I only call you when it's at best fight. The only time I'll ever call you mine. I only love you when you touch me, not feel me. When I fucks up, that's real me. When I fucks up, that's real me, babe. Here's advice, the here's advice. Who are you to judge? Who are you to judge? Hide your lies, girl, hide your lies. Who are you to trust? Who are you? I only call you when it's at best fight. The only time that I'll be by your side. I only love you when you touch me, not feel me. When I fucks up, that's real me. When I fucks up, that's real me. Yeah, I only call you when it's at best fight. The only time I'll ever call you mine. I only love you when you touch me, not feel me. When I fucks up, that's real me. When I fucks up, when I fucks up, that's real me. Yeah.
Why I always gotta be afraid. Yeah, I'm sick of all the stomach aches. Always dizzy, haven't eaten nothing. Always sleeping, haven't seen nobody. Out here living in the Wild West. A lack of confidence is when I'm at my best. I'm just a bird not trying to fade away, like a moth drawn to the flame. They talking shit, ain't quick enough to block and no. I'm getting hit, falling down, so I'm staying low. I feel it's all for nothing, I'm feeling all alone. That voice is saying something, it's saying welcome home. I miss my mom, I miss my friends, I miss it all, but in the end, whoa, the world keeps spinning, whoa, the world keeps spinning. I'm feeling lost, I'm feeling dead, I feel it's all maybe in my head. Whoa, the world keeps spinning, whoa, the world keeps spinning. Body's aching from all the stress. Yeah, I'm dead inside my skin, a mess. One-on-one, I can hold my own, but I'm out here fighting like I'm Al Capone. Gonna sell it like it's end of days. My mama telling me it's just a phase. I don't know what to do, yeah, I just wanna scream. I don't mean shit to you, I ain't a human being. I miss my mom, I miss my friends, I miss it all, but in the end, whoa, the world keeps spinning, whoa, the world keeps spinning. I'm feeling lost, I'm feeling dead, I feel it's all maybe in my head. Whoa, the world keeps spinning.
I give her that vibe, can't get nowhere else. Cigarettes in the air, she touching herself. Glass walls, top floor at a hotel, reoccurring dream that we both fell. Me and her cool if we chillin' in hell, fixing the fucker, she fixing the yeah.
I wanna feel you. I want it all. I wanna feel you. I want it all. I want it all. I want it all. I want it
Give her that vibe, she can't get nowhere else. Cigarettes in the air, she touching herself. Glass walls, penthouse in the hotel. Reoccurring dream that we both fell. Me and her cool if we chillin' in hell. She in chinchilla, love white like a tail. Ripping the fur and she feeling me swell. Fixing the fucker, she fixing the yell. Fuck her like I just got out of the cell. Both of the powder, no powder for sale. Tony Montana, the power for sale. Given G tucks, I'ma come on the veil. She's high maintenance, got no patience. Girl, get naked, it's X-rated.
Baby, I wanna touch you. I wanna breathe into your well. See, I gotta hunt you. I gotta bring you to my hell. Baby, I wanna fuck you. I wanna feel you in my bones. I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna tear into your soul. I wanna feel you. I want it all. I wanna feel you.
Yeah, yeah.
I want it all.
I think she wants it worse than I do. Got her wetter than Kawhi do. Got her wetter than a hurricane on the bayou. Got me thinking about maybe saying I do. Maybe I'm wrong, maybe I'm right.